So for today, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy USDT BEP20 or BEP20 wallet address on your Trust wallet. So first, you need to install or download your Trust wallet application on your mobile device and access it by opening the application as well as linking your existing wallet if you have one, or if you don't, just simply click the create new wallet. So if you already access your dashboard, it should look like this. So for you to able to find and copy your USDT which is in BEP20, you just need to click the search icon which is located on the top right corner of your screen. And once you click in, just simply search for USDT and make sure that the USDT that you will click is on the BNB Smart Chain network. And then for you to able to copy your USDT wallet address, if you wanted to receive USDT in Binance Smart Chain network, you need to click the receive button and a QR code will pop up on your screen as well as the alphanumeric code that you can copy and paste on the other exchanger so that you can receive your USDT in BNB or Smart Chain. So that's how you find and copy your USDT BP20 or BEP20 wallet address on your Trust wallet. If you found this super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.